Hi guys, we're back again with another chemistry lab. Okay, so first we're getting this 30 milliliter little tube, and we're gonna fill it up to
30 minutes
of hydrogen peroxide.
Oh,
We had a rough morning this morning.
there?
Yeah, 2 shots of vodka. Okay. So we poured the hydrogen peroxide to the 30 milliliter tube.
Yeah.
30. Okay.
Okay, so now we're gonna add the 10 drops of dish soap in there. So I don't know how much that.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we don't have to. So I already put the hydrogen peroxide and we put the dish soap, and I'm gonna pour this in here. And now with the yeast and the water,
We're gonna add the 15 milliliters with the yeast and the water.
and we're gonna mix them in this little thing here, just a little bit. Okay. And then right now we're gonna pour it in there. We're gonna start the reaction. Okay.
Okay, 1, 2, and 3.
4 inches.
Now compute.
And then 9 inches. 4 inches and then 9 inches.
Oh, how fun. It's hot.
Yeah, it is hot. Bye.
Bye, guys.